Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language on Vivago AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are at Vivago AI, and as you can see we are logged in. And up at the top right hand corner we have our account icon, which if we hover over it, you're going to see that you have user info and settings. However, if you select either of these options, you will not see any options related to changing the language. That's because in order to change the language, you are going to need it to do it through your browser, which here on Chrome, we will show you the steps, which is to go to the top right hand corner, and here you will see these three little dots. We're going to go ahead and click that, and once we do, then here towards the bottom, you'll see the translate option. We're going to go ahead and select translate, and here we can see that we are already on English. We want to click these three little dots here in the menu that shows up, and then we're going to choose another language. Here we will be given the option to look at this drop down box, and you'll see a variety of languages that you can choose from. We're going to go ahead and just select one here at random and hit translate, and you can see now that the language has changed on Vivago. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.